Guys, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to rectify a model. Just imagine right now, this is a model that I have designed. So this is a model. So what happened here is the length here given is, so just a minute, the modify. Let me change yeah, I think should go into close. So DLI. From here to here, whatever the distance is, it is 16 feet. So this is the distance that we got. We have like 4.9 for something. Well, sorry, 4.9 for something like that. Okay. Now here, what happens is when I measure this distance from here to here, it is 3.75. So it is more. I mean, sorry, less. This is more. So how do I rectify this? So I have prepared the whole model right now. Should I delete this and start it once again, not start from the scratch? No, there's a way that we can solve this problem out. First of all, we need to do something called as we need to find out this is the desired length, that is 4.9 divided by what is the length that we have found right now, 3.7. So once you like divide that out, you turn to get around 1.32. So just keep this number in mind. Now what we will do is we'll go to the file, close, and remember where you have saved the file. And now just go to new. Let's keep it as practice. Right. Okay. Yeah. Let's keep it in metrics. Just create. Now, what you go do is you come to display to change the plugin, to meter, and here there's something called as import cat file, and whatever the file that you have saved, right? So you have saved it in, yeah, we have saved it in meta work. So it will take time right now. Now what you do is just scale it in your whatever the ratios you got, right? 1.32. Just add it here in everything. 1.32. Just give it OK, and yes. Now let's measure this out from here to here. How much we have? 4.9 and 4.9, kind of similar. So this is how you do it. Whenever there is any kind of a mistake that you do due to the scaling or something like that in STAAD model, just divide desired length by the required, sorry, desired length by required length. I mean, whatever the length is, so you can get it. So this is how we do it. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.